first, a quick word from our sponsor.
Meet Car Vertical. Get access to one of the largest database networks for vehicle records. Whether buying a vehicle locally or overseas, we can help you avoid a turd. Avoid any surprises. CarVertical.com, as used by Donkey London.
Good morning, you lovelies. Welcome back to the cheeky Caddy, starring me, Mr. Donkey, and John. Definitely got some cooler intake temps today, and a little bit of rain as well. It's a bit interesting to see what the traction likes on the van today. Tyres are just like a sort of medium street tyre. They're nothing special, but they're not like terrible. So yeah, traction's not optimal, but it's definitely spicy to drive, and that's a good way of describing it. Today we'll be experiencing that for the most part, bearing in mind it is sort of daytime. I'm just going to jump into the shell and get some V power. That's the trippiest thing with this van. The indicator on the dash says it's on the right because it's an R32 cluster, but the actual thing's on the left. Just to confuse you. Get in. Alright, let's get some fuel in this bad man. Sack. Alright, a bit of that goodness. Load of waffle. Those are Greg's. Look at all this bad food, man. Terrible. It's all a trick as well, because they line up all these colours as you're walking down. Don't get me wrong. I do like some of these things sometimes. But yeah. Big bit of trickery going on here. Monkey London, yeah. Alright, brother, much love. I really want a sausage roll, but I'm going to resist. Because I'm a good boy. Monkey. Let's get the tunes on, mate. Definitely haven't got 5 in my in my lights. Tune. Tune. Sort of see there, as much as we haven't got an LSD, it does kind of want a one-wheel appeal a little bit, but it's quite manageable in this van. So yeah, despite not having an LSD, you can get, relatively speaking, quite decent traction on greasy roads, coming off roundabouts, coming off corners. You do have to kind of modulate the throttle a little bit. You can't just literally keep your foot planted. But with a nice sort of balanced foot, you can definitely sort of eke the most out of it. Sometimes you're actually better to kind of short shift, and rather than just sort of wheel spinning to the top of the rev range, you get in the torque bands and kind of try and sort of promote the traction a little bit. Probably saw there John just changed probably a little bit too early into the cheeky little sort of clutch kick, just to bring the revs up and to get the car sort of back in the power band to kind of maximise the power, as it were. Bit of time, it hasn't really got much anti-slip on it. because the axle is live, you know, it does want to move around, which you can kind of contend with. It's not dangerous, but it doesn't kind of probably drive like you would assume like an S3 would. It does kind of wander around a little bit, but yeah, I mean, it's super quick, man. And once you kind of get your head around it and you know how to drive it, it's pretty goddamn fast. There probably isn't much out there when you're really on it that'll kind of keep up with it. Yeah, okay, like crazy bikes and stuff and like mental spec time attack cars, but for the most part, as a sort of dailyable car, it's proper up there as a quick little thing, this. Oh man, it shouldn't be doing that against walls, but god, it sounds good. Asbo! Definitely give us a firm 7 out of 10 in the wet weather department. Yeah, you probably could arguably maybe get some Rain Sport 5s on here or something and eke out a bit more traction. And yeah, like LSD, as much as it might make it scat about a bit more, it probably would obviously make you a little bit quicker. But yeah, as it stands, firm 7 out of 10. Gonna stop in this nice little town, very historic. Nice as well if you're watching from abroad and you haven't really sort of seen much of the UK. You've got like nice old historic stuff like this. You've also got cities and modern places as well, but there is lots of history in the UK. Just gonna go and get me a bit of food and a coffee, which I forgot to buy earlier. Right, I'll catch up with you guys in a sec. Right, you lovelies, back on the old donkey cam. It's getting a little bit darker, a little bit quieter, roads are a little bit greasy. Nice conditions for Mr. Juan. Just warm up the brakes a little bit. Kind of see on that last corner, we washed a little bit, that's where an LSD would kind of sort of pull you in, because you have both wheels kind of working together as opposed to kind of one wheel spinning faster than the other. But yeah, she's a proper little ripper, this van. With these pedals as well, with the brake and accelerator, got a nice sort of positioning for heel and toe. If you want to be like Mr. John as well, like you guys know, you can win this absolute bad man, or this bad van should I say, for 79p. In the last episode I was giving away triple tickets to 10 lucky people who bought tickets after watching the video. So as always, we're going to shoot back and quickly choose you lucky chaps now. Right, you lovelies, Donkey London hat, Donkey London hoodie, do a buy. Let's have a little gander and choose you lucky buggers to win triple ticket. Right, so here we are in the comments, the previous video. We've got Tom Hacko 979, just got your tickets triple, brother. Dark Time 6505, Sloth Shady, Iron Axe Gaming, Maximov 1337, Adam Budgeon 8876, Ben MXR Finn, Roger Carty 1160, J Fender 1993, Andrew Evans, you've now got 36. Sam RS 5566. Right, that is all 10 people. Well done to you, absolute legends. Well done to you guys. You now got 3 times the chances of winning the van. I'm going to do exactly the same thing again. So yeah, once you've watched this video, make a purchase. Tell me how many tickets you've bought in the comment section, and I'll pick 10 of you and I'll triple your tickets. you. Maybe when you're on a big sort of open road, you can't get the sensation of speed, but fuck me, this thing around these little roads is rapid, bruv. Oh, 86, oh my God. Full tofu spec. That was lovely, man, whatever that was panda colours, all the initial D. Mentioned in the comments previously, like maybe it'd be a good idea for me to do some compilation videos. I've never really done that on my channel, so we could do like top 5 best sounding cars, top 5 most scared passengers, top 5 best cinematic intros, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you'd like me to sort of make some cool compilation videos. I know a lot of you guys sometimes say my channel's a bit of a hidden gem, so maybe it'd be nice sort of to collate some of this cool footage we made over the time and sort of put them into one video. So it's quite greasy on this little road, so I'll show you guys a launch with traction and without traction control, obviously to the best of my ability. Start at about 3,000. I'll give John a firm 3 out of 10 for that start. We'll try one with traction control on now. That's definitely better. God damn, this advanced traction control system. It's not like traction control in the old days. Let's see if John can just do one more and redeem himself. That's definitely better.